Yesterday, I told you that gold and silver might act bearish and they are at key resistance level. They are trading below key resistance level. I asked you to sell gold at 1645 and expect it to drop for 1640, 1632, 1624. Now see the power of levels. Precisely it is achieved 1625 and silver at 1830. Now what can be expected today? Which position we should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon as the next update on gold will be up before the US cash session today itself. So do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully and do note down the level. Now look at the hourly charts. 45, 40, 35, 30. Every $5 gold is creating a step for its own. Now from this chart you can clearly see if it trades above 1630 it is good to buy gold. But then what to expect? Yes, beyond 1630, 1635, 1640, 1645 are the major resistance levels, and yes, only and only if it trades above 1660 you can confirm that it has reversed. Till the time it trades below 1660, it can reverse again and drop again on the downside. Specifically, watch out for 1640 and 45 zone. This is going to be a prime important zone for gold. If it sustains above this, you can expect minor bullishness. So be cautious of 1640-45 zone. Now track the movement of gold. See, it tries to consolidate. It achieves one milestone, tries to swing around that, and then achieve the next milestone. Tries to swing around that. Now it has achieved the next milestone at 1625. It may try to drop here and swing around that and then decide the direction for the day. Right now it appears 1624 is a good support for gold. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has come out of the oversold zone. On the hourly charts, the MACD is willing to converge crossover. You can see this was the time when it was trading oversold here, and then it tried to rise. So yes, we have to be a little bit cautious as it is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. Potentially we may see little retracement here. RSI is also oversold here, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts similar is the story, but you have to be careful. At 1630 is the only level beyond which you can take a buy position. Till the time it trades below 1630, potentially this is the first red candle. You can expect a second red candle and a third red candle to follow, which might take it till towards 1618 levels. The next target 1612, 1608 and 1600. Remember my long-term targets at 1590, 1600 zone. I had specified this multiple times. Directional movement, divergent and bearish. Stochastic is oversold here on the 2-hour charts. Potentially a little rise can be there. The MACD, divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold. So all the indicators on near time frames are oversold, indicates potential recovery, a little recovery. But yes, before that it may try to drop sharp and then recover a little. That is how it trades. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Again 1630, 1632. First red candle, second red candle with a wick and a tail. Potentially the third red candle may take it further down till towards 1620, 1618 levels. Only reversal confirmation is if it trades above 1630 levels. Directional movement, divergent and bearish. Stochastic oversold here. MACD, divergent and bearish. RSI also oversold. On all the time frames, similar observations we can see. And on the 4-hour charts, remember this is the first red candle after this minor step here, and the bottom of this candle somewhere here at 1624, and then potentially the next candle may also appear which may try to bring it till towards 1618. But look at this here, it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, which is giving it a very strong support, and hence we have to remain cautious. Yes, if it trades above 1630, the next candle or the next to next candle, potential of reversal exists, then 1635, 40, 45 levels can be expected. Now see if it tries to recover from here. Definitely 1645 50 zone is a very 40-45 is the very strong resistance zone, and in fact till 50 it has got a stronger resistance. Directional movement divergent and bearish here. Stochastic is extremely oversold here. Potentially a little recovery cannot be denied. The MACD has crossed over. It is divergent. It is trading bearish. It is looking downwards. RSI is trading at bottom here. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, after two retracement candles, we talked about this yesterday, that it has consolidated fairly and it is looking forward to a breakout. And see, when I meant a breakout, it is the breakout here, a very strong red candle. Now it has opened almost at the flat here at 1630 and it is still trying to trade bearish. Now what is the potential it may try to do? Yes, it can try to achieve the double bottom here and in fact try to breeze this and try to recover a little and close at around 16 15 18 levels. So be cautious here. Yes, 16 24 25 is a good support. Beyond that, it can try to recover a little. It can consolidate a little at 24 25, rise till 30. In fact, 32 35 also can be seen. And then towards the end of the day, we can again expect a drop there. Be cautious, else it may continue with the bearish momentum itself, achieve 16 18 16 15 and 16 12. In fact, it can go below and then recover a little towards the end. Direction movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is near to bottom. Considering this, buy only if you see it trading above 1630. So buy gold at 1630, expect 1635 as the first milestone, 1640 as the next, 1645 as the third milestone, and 1651. Remember, every $5 it has got the resistance. You have to trade with a strict stop loss at cost or with a trailing stop loss. So do follow these two things. Trailing stop loss of $3 is good for gold. So whenever you see your trade is in profit with a distance of $3, you can put the stop loss, or you can put a trailing stop loss with the distance of $3. Now on the down, since it is already trading at 16 26 27, you can sell there at 16 I will say 20, and then you can expect 16 18 16 15, then 1612 and 1608. In fact, 1600 1590 levels cannot be denied. It can achieve this zone once before it tries to recover. So do not trade between 1620 and 30. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to achieve the same expertise in identifying the trades, taking the positions, taking the profitable trades and making profits, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts on 7th of November. This is the 16th batch, and successfully all the students who have completed the course are now trading independently and are with the support of ours. Anytime if you seek support, even after your completion of course, we are always there to support you in your technical analysis. So do not forget to join this course. Definitely invest in your learning first. You can reap the profits throughout your life. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals group. See the performance of our signals group. Phenomenal. Just 18 or 15 trading sessions, we have done amazingly well. You can see the results in the community tab or in my Telegram channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My email and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly chart. See 1840, 1850. This is the zone in which it is traded for multiple hours, multiple candles. Then 1860 and 70 levels is seen. Now it is trying to give you a breakout, and remember, below 1840 the first target at 1830 and then strongest support at 1820. So yes, it is trying to give a breakout. 1830 is the first support, 1820 is the next support. Yes, 1850 is the next milestone or the next resistance zone. See 1840, 1850, definitely these are, or rather as I have told, 1860 till 1860 it has got stronger resistance on the upside. Directional movement divergent bearish, stochastic taking a vertical dip, coming back to the oversold zone again. The MACD divergent and bearish, here it has crossed over again. RSI looking downwards, indicating little more bearishness. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Same. See, whenever it has consolidated, it has taken a good drop, and you can see the movement. You can see the track the movement here, 1850, 1890, 40 cents here, and now it is trying to give a breakout from 1840. You can expect 1820 at least, and below 1820 also it can further take a dip till towards 1810, 1800 levels. Be cautious there, be cautious and be alert there. Direction movement divergent and bearish here on the 2-hour charts. Stochastic coming back to the oversold zone. MACD divergent and bearish here. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, a minor retracement. This is the breakout. The support there at 1830 is very strong. Below that, we may see it hitting 1820 level. But for this, we may need to wait for the next candle. The MACD is divergent and bearish. See, if it tries to break, what could be next possible destination? See, 1810 definitely a very good support, and in fact, this time it may try to achieve further lows out there. Directional movement bearish, stochastic trading near to bottom. The MACD divergent and bearish here. It is continuing with the bearish momentum. RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. After a bit of consolidation, 3 candles of consolidation, you can see this is the breakout here. The support there at 1825, 1820 is very, very strong. So first support at 1830, next at 1820, and in fact this may try to breach this. It can try to achieve the double bottom at 1810, and in fact breach below that. Possibility exists on the upside. Yes, I will recommend you to buy only if you see it trading above 1850 levels. Above 1850, 1860 is the major resistance, 1870, 1880. Yes, you can buy at 1850 and expect it to rise till towards 60, 70, 80. 80 is the major resistance. If it tries to break this, certainly you can remain bullish about that. Directional movement, divergent and bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is on the verge of the bearish cross. You can see a slightly red candle there. Possibility exists that it may continue with the bearish momentum. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. Now see, this was the previous week's closing at around 1825 levels, and now it is trying to drop below this. Yes, if it drops and trades below this, it will call for further bearishness. Then by tomorrow, towards the end of the week, you can expect that the silver might in fact go below 1800 levels. Be careful there. Directional movement, divergent and bearish, stochastic looking downwards, the MACD divergent and bearish, RSI at bottom. So for the day, I will recommend you to buy only above 1850 level. Above 1850, 60, 70, 80. These are the targets and major stronger resistance levels. Only and only if it trades above 1880, you can expect 1890, 95, 1900, and beyond that it will fly high. On the downside, you can, and till 1840 you can remain bearish in silver, and in between 1840 and 1850 do not take a position. That is very clear. Till the time it trades below 1840, every rise is an opportunity to sell. I will wait for it to breach past 1825 and 1820 levels. That is definitely a good indication that it is trying to trade bearish. So if you want to take a safe entry, you have to wait for 1825. You can expect 1820 levels, and in fact if it drops below 1820, you cannot deny 1810, 1800, and in fact we can see it breaching 1800 levels again. So take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 1840 and 1850. That is the zone of caution. Above 1850, certainly more bullishness can be seen, and you can expect 1860, 70, 80 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.